This might be the healthiest and most delicious salad you'll ever have. This is Gỏi Mướp, a Vietnamese-style bitter melon salad. Bitter melon is known to have medicinal properties for anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, cholesterol-lowering effects, and among other great health benefits.
So damn good. So damn good. Yes, there is still that little bit of bitterness, but there is so much more flavor to it. The citrus, the sweetness, and the crunchiness. It's all crisp. So depending on the bitter melon, some are more bitter than others. You can actually tell if they're really bitter or not by the water. So the deeper the green color of the water is, the more bitter it is. This one, it seems like it's not as bitter. So I'm just gonna rinse it 2 times. But the more you rinse, the less bitter it gets. But you're washing away all the medicinal health benefits it gives. So give or take.
For the vinaigrette dressing, you'll need some sliced garlic, chopped red chili, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup fish sauce, and half a lime juice. Mix till the sugar dissolves. Make sure your sliced bitter melon is ice cold. Sliced white onion, boiled shrimp, thinly sliced boiled pork, thinly sliced carrots for color. I use pickled carrots on hand. Then add in the vinaigrette dressing to cover. A bit of ground black pepper. Toss evenly, then set to plate. Top with chả bông pork floss and fried shallots, or toasted peanuts work too.